Do you want to be able to fix Instagram invalid parameters error? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step until the very end, just so you know for it to work, basically. Because if you're going to skip out on some of these steps that I'm going to show you, well, then this will not work. So it is very important that you stay until the end and try all of these steps that I'm going to show you for it to work, basically. And the first step is going to be for you to go into your Instagram app. Now, on your Instagram app, then come to your profile right here. Now, when you're on your profile, then the first thing you're going to do is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So, click on the three lines. Now, on this page, you're going to click on settings. So, click on settings. Now, scroll down in here and then click on help. So, click on help. Now, click on reports a problem. And then once again, click on reports a problem in here. Now, click on include and continue, and then you should be taken to this page right here. As you can see, now on this page you need to write exactly like this for it to work, just so you know, because on this page you are actually able to contact the Instagram customer support directly, and they're the ones that can help us with this. So write like this for it to work. I am having issues with invalid parameters error on my account. I need this to be fixed right now. So write like this, basically. I am having issues with I'm having issues with invalid parameters error on my account. I need this to be fixed right now. Now, of course, also click on send in the top right corner. What you need to do now is to wait about 24 hours, and then when 24 hours has passed, then go back into your account, and hopefully after that this issue will be solved for you. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.